at what creating a new post will look like in your new Cadence theme. After you've logged in, you go to the dashboard. As usual, you go to the Post tab, and we're going to add a new post. From here, you will see a big blank screen unless you've installed some plugins that put some of these goodies on the bottom. Other than that, it will look like this. You add your title here, per usual. And then in here, you just start typing. Every time you click return, you will get a new paragraph box. And you can tell if you have this sidebar on, click this sidebar, that you're in a paragraph. You could change. The most important thing probably is linking. So here is how to add a link to a paragraph. When you highlight something in your paragraph, you will see this little pop-up menu. The chain link is exactly what it looks like in the classic editor. You're going to click it. You're going to go to the link that you're looking for. Let's say WP Barista, copy it, go in here, paste it, press return, and you have linked something. You can go up here to the plus sign and click blocks. Search for what you're looking for. So here's all the image options with galleries and everything else. So I can just add an image as simply as clicking it in here. Pretty simple. Everything you're looking for categories and tags is going to be on the side here. Your featured image is still necessary. It's still on the side, and that's exactly where it was before. Preview this on any device. So I can just preview what it's going to look like. Tablet, desktop, etc. Publish that up here. Here else is right here, just like usual.